Good evening. Benchmark indices ended on a flat note for yet another trading session. After opening with positive gains, the markets gradually slipped throughout the day. Volatility and volumes both were diminishing. IIP, which was released today, was also not able to cheer up the bulls. India's industrial production expanded at a strong pace in January, continuing the momentum it had gained in the past few months, the data released by the government showed today. India's industrial output, as measured by the Index of Industrial Production, stood at 16.7% in January as against 1% in the same month a year earlier, the Commerce and Industry Ministry said today. The figures was mostly in line with the consensus estimated. It remains near the highest reading since April 1995, when the series which uses 1993-94 as the base year started. Despite strong FII inflow, the NSE Nifty was unable to surge past the 5,190 levels throughout the week, which is the crucial resistance level for the index. FIIs bought stock worth rupees 44.48 billion rupees in the past 3 days. On the other hand, DIIs were net sellers to the tune of rupees 6.9 billion in the past 3 days. The breadth was weak on the BSE Sensex for the third straight day. Out of the total 2,927 stocks, 1,810 declined as against 1,027 advances and 90 remained unchanged. The BSE Sensex ended flat at 17,166 after touching a high of 17,245 and a low of 17,127. The NSE Nifty ended unchanged at 5,137. In Asia, the Nikkei in Japan ended with gains adding 0.8%, while Australia's S&P ended flat. Shanghai SE Composite ended flat and Hang Seng Index in Hong Kong edged was unchanged. In Europe, the stocks were in the positive terrain. The DAX in Germany was up 0.5% and the CAC 40 of France was also up 0.5% and the FTSE in UK was up 0.4%. Coming back to India, among the BSE sectorial indices, the Realty Index was the top loser, losing 0.8%, followed by the Capital Goods Index, which was down 0.6%, and the BSE Power Index, which was down 0.5%. Even the BSE Mid Cap Index was down 0.2% and the BSE Small Cap Index was down 0.4%. Among the gainers were BSE Metal Index, which was up 0.6%, and the BSE Oil and Gas Index, which was up 0.4%. Outside the frontline indices, the big gainers in the broader market were Fortis Health, KN, Akriti City and Allahabad Bank. On the other hand, the losers included Renuka Sugars, Balrampur Chini, M&M Financials and OBC. That's it for the day. Thank you and have a great day ahead.